Hey guys, welcome back in today's video. So in this tutorial series, we're going to see how to invite someone into your business manager. So guys, let's jump right into it. So they always change like the interfaces, and lately you want to use the business support home to share an invitation to someone. So let me get right into there. Once you get there, you have to go into the business settings. So on whatever business manager that you want to invite people to. In my case, let me invite someone into my business manager leads business manager. And then once we're here, we can simply decide to invite some people and add the different emails of the people we want to invite. Okay, there is some additional settings like temporary access or Metaspark settings. It's rare that you use those configurations, so we'll not dig too deep on that for now. And after that, you can choose if you just want to give an employee access or an admin access. So that's important, because if you just want to give employee access to someone that will like manage the ads, but won't be able to, for example, remove you or delete you or something like that, then you just have to do the basic option. But if you want to add a backup, an admin, then you can do the full control option. So this way you will invite an admin to your account. In my case, I'm inviting an admin, and then you choose the resources that you want to invite a different person to. So it can be either a page, a catalog, a pixel, whatever resource, whatever backup you want to do. Some people will want to go for pixel farm, some people want to go for backup just for the pages, etc, etc. So it really depends. And that's pretty much it. I send the invitation, the person click on the invitation, and boom, they have the different accesses. They have access to my BM after that, and they can do whatever they want. Okay, so yeah, feel free if you have questions about that, or if you want assistance for us to do that for you, help you with your blogs, feel free to reach us out, and we'll be happy to help. Until the next time, see you guys.